everybody, welcome to the video and welcome to the channel. This is part 2 of our Valentine's Day raised bed gardens. So the last video we cut all of our kits out. We have our 8-foot boards and our 4-foot boards. It's going to be a 4x8 raised bed, and they are also going to be 2 feet tall. So today we're going to be cutting our corner boards to 2 feet to complete our kits, and hopefully by the end we will be able to actually construct some kits so we can see what they're going to look like. Look, it comes with a complimentary drill bit.
Isn't that nice? We all go check the sap buckets today too, maybe.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Alright, so to make things a little bit faster and a little bit easier, old Captain Clayman has made us a little jig here. It is 2 foot long, to where we can just slide our boards in, cut it off. Easy peasy, right?
Easy peasy. We'll just flush it up to one side, make it work however it works.
That's sturdy.
Then we just do it again. 100 times.
Love it. We are done with our last 8-foot board. Lots of progress for today. So we're going to take a break, go grab some lunch, and then we're going to come back and work on these 4-foot boards. I got my chips, got my bologna sandwich. We're gonna eat down here by the river for a little bit.
So there's a concrete pier. That log, there's a concrete pier goes out there, waters up just a little bit. We're gonna see what the old tree does here.
Ooh. It's gonna miss it.
It's gonna miss it.
Are you kidding me?
Maybe the root wad will hook it, swing it around. Missed it. That pier that's right there goes out and it makes an eddy, and along the bank the water on the bottom side flows upriver. It kind of helps prevent the erosion along the bank. To prove the point, There's a piece of styrofoam floating upriver right now. Science, you know?
Way back to the house to work on our raised beds. We're gonna check our sap buckets real quick on the way back. All right. I mean, it doesn't look promising.
This ain't running yet.
Oh?
There's a little in there.
Yeah.
We haven't really had a hard freeze and thaw yet.
No, it's been weird in southern Indiana.
Let's see what these are.
Oh, yeah. That one's got a bunch in it.
A gallon in it or so.
Yeah. Same thing. We'll have some videos out soon of us tapping some trees and boiling some syrup coming up soon. Okay, we are refreshed and revived after our lunch break, and now we are on to round 2. We are cutting the 2-foot corner boards for our 4-foot edges on our raised beds. So we've got our system set up again.
Ready to go.
Ready for more.
Ready for more. So close. Come all the way down to this end. And then we do the other one, we'll lay it down the opposite, and then we can just, you know.
Okay.
Your left hand is the bottom. Yep. And if you just want to hold that, like so. There you go.
They're so big. We are going to have so much fun filling these up. I've got a plan. I've got a plan to fill this up, all right? So don't fret. I got it.
I'm fretting.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
Oh God. Who's building these? Oh, now look what you did. For sale. $40.
What's-
So you go ahead. No, you go.
I was going to say, what's the plan, Chief?
We have never had a plan on anything we do. The original thought in our head was we'll just pick it up with the forks, but my forks are too short and I didn't think about that. So we got to figure something out. So I got to come on for the record. My plan didn't work at all. And the brains of the operation suggested we just build the beds right where they're supposed to go. So she's gonna get the plastic. We're gonna start rolling the plastic out where it's at, and then we're gonna build the beds where they're gonna go. Okay.
we are putting some stakes in so we can put in a string line so we can make sure that our beds are completely straight down the garden. Spot on. Good job. I could tell that's where it was supposed to be. I knew.
Swing her wide, dude. And you just go, like this, we'll go a 1/4 inch or inch off that string. Doesn't have to be perfect. That'll be fine. Okay. Alright, I'll be back in about an hour. You can move that board, yeah. Feel pretty good about it? Okay. Dang it. That worked out perfect down there. I thought. Tell me when. Gucci. Throw if you want.
Oh, got
that. Alright, we didn't do good on count. You count.
1, 2, 3, throw.
That's good. Ready?
Ready.
Cool.
Alright, so in my last video, I kind of told you guys that we were trying to save money and do these on a budget. Well, it turns out these ended up costing around $40 a piece, and this is a 4x8 bed. So between the screws and the wood, we're at $40 right now. There may be something we add later on that might up the price, but I think $40 for a 4x8 is a heck of a deal. This is how much we got done today, 4 complete beds. So our next step for another day is to finish the next 4 beds, and then we're going to go through the process of filling these things up. So I know you're looking at these right now thinking, oh my god, they're huge, they're 2 feet tall, you're never going to be able to fill those up. I have a plan. Alright, I have a plan, so worry not, and I will tell you all about it in our next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.